Hello everyone, welcome to the day 16 of 100 days of UX challenge, and today we are going to learn about agentic AI and some of the use case when UX designers are designing this stuff. So let's start. So the first thing first, so author is saying that we can use similar shorthand notation. So currently if you can see in the bigger bracket they have written fluid pond, and beside it it is also written that input field. So it's showing that this is an input field. The next one is the description, and it's also text area. Then there is a on off. So this is how you can show certain interactions if you want to show without doing much effort in a with type, as well as you can also write it down. And this is how you can also show the image on the screen or on the paper. And this is a drop down, 10 minutes, and there is a forward bracket and backward bracket. So that's how you can also show the drop down. And if you see this screen where it's the similar way of showing shorthand notations, and also the translation from the paper sketch to the screen. Here if you have seen that 10 cycles, if you can see, that's a drop down, right? uh, if you see on the top, on the first image, there is a role detail. There is a fluid pond written there in the field, and there is on off radio button there. So similarly you can say it's not a radio button, that is converted into a switch over here. And here you can see that on off is there. Now this is model pump master 23.5. You can show the graph maybe over here. And there is a condition written that when confidence is greater than 90%, then perform all of the following. Okay. If the confidence is more than 90%, then pause the motor for 10 minutes. And alert, you don't need to put any alert. So it's a conditional statement which you can update and maybe control the pump based on that. We can see the next one as well. What are the AI agents? So mostly if you have seen the end ant colony, right? So it has like workers, soldiers, drones, and queens. So different roles for different types of ants, and this ants are doing their semi autonomous job. So what is semi autonomous job? So basically they have been given a particular work, but it's not like completely automatic. They have to put efforts there. And that is what we can say that's a great example of collective intelligence, because not one ant is enough. Here you need cluster of ants, then they can pull off some of the significant work. So AI agents are something similar to that. So let's see the one of the image over here, where on the completely left hand side there is a human who is basically giving some of the orders to supervisor agent. And then agent is you know doing this work, finding something in database, and then uh, agent is again giving back suggestions to human. And then human has to decide, like, if you want to accept those suggestions or reset the um, reset the prompt itself. Then supervisor will, if the work is more, then it will redirect to another agent. And that agent will carry out another work. So here if you can see, like, he is like searching from the cloud. One agent was searching from the database. So, and later on, when that process is finished, then supervisor agent is going to create a hypothesis report, and then going back to the humans. So that's how the flow works. um, for the AI agents. So this is what mostly AI agents are doing, and remaining chapter we'll be seeing in the next video. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, and yeah, goodbye.